Hi, it's a great day in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today's March 8th. I'm on the south end of the Strip, Las Vegas Boulevard. Got the Tropicana. Here's Circus Circus. Over here, of course, is New York, New York. Beautiful Statue of Liberty and a little roller coaster for you. So I'm going to take you up the Strip, a couple miles. We're going to look at some of the hotels, the attractions, restaurants, all the fun things to do out here. Las Vegas. You got the MGM over here. Big old lion. And Jimmy Buffett's playing at the MGM pretty soon. Get your tickets. And it's only 8 o'clock in the morning, so it's not very rocking right now. But it'll give us more time to see all these wonderful sights without interruption. We're going to head up here. Here at New York, New York, we have the Reese's Hershey Chocolate World. Lots of wonderful kisses. Hershey's milk chocolate. Across the street, lots of shops, games, little casinos. David Copperfield, he's still here. More of New York, New York. Pepsi Cola, little Starbucks in here. New York 1936. Here's M&M's World, right next to the big Coke. Outback Steakhouse. Little action here at the Hard Rock. Brew Dogs, way up here. Little kiosks if you need information. And Shake Shack for your beautiful burgers and shakes. We got the Park MGM. Great hotel. Beautiful sports book, holy moly. Great restaurants and dining inside here too. Good for takeout. Little kiosk areas for all sorts of food. Here is the Hard Rock Cafe. Famous guitar by Ross. Polo Towers, Hawaiian Marketplace. Here we got the Polo Towers right here. Here's the Hilton Grand Vacations, timeshare. Planet Hollywood, right over here. Got Paris, the Atria, or the Atria. Either way. Lots of little shops here, discount souvenirs, little dining experience, little shack over here for hamburgers and your bar, and Brew Dogs. Bobby's Burger Palace. That looks pretty good. All sorts of hamburgers, I'm sure. Got a little Gucci shop. Here's the area. I think I said Atria. It's area. A lot of these pedestrian bridges. So it's got to do a lot of walking upstairs, and your 2-mile walk is really like 4 miles. Texan Mex Tequila Bar and Grill. There's a Grand Hilton. Planet Hollywood. Down here is Paris. A little cactus garden. And here we have some barrel cacti. Phaerocactus cylindriceus. It's got this one long thorn sticking out of this aerial here. Wow, for protection. We got other more lateral thorns to help keep this plant cool. This guy just flowered. They'll be turning into fruit soon. And they always tend to flower on the south side of the plant, not as much the north side. So the sun side of the plant, like the flower, they tend to grow faster on this side and slower on this side, so they lean to the south. How about that? Little barrel cactus. Here's the Cosmopolitan. And we got the Bellagio here. Across the street, it's Paris. One time I found a $100 chip in Paris, so that was cool. And we got Planet Hollywood still. Eiffel Tower, all the way from Paris. There's a restaurant in here, you can eat at too. Amazing views from the top. The beautiful Bellagio. Hotel, resort, casino. Here's a great, huge lake here. And at night you come down here, they have a huge fountain show. Of course, everybody knows about that. It's great shops and restaurants all along the water's edge. And here we have Caesar's Palace. It's huge. Wow. Resort, casino, hotel. And in the basement are the Forum shops. All the elite stuff you can't really afford to buy. With moving statues of Bacchus and Zeus, Trevi Fountain, a couple other cool stuff. It's worth a visit. Across the street here is Bally's. And over here is the Link. And here's the High Roller. Spend about 20 bucks, I think. Go on the little loop-de-loop Ferris wheel. No restrooms inside though. Caesar's Palace. This place is huge. Holy moly. Wow. Got the Mirage up the street a little bit. On this side, Flamingo. We got the Cromwell and the Horseshoe over at Bally's. Wow, Vegas is pretty amazing. Nothing happening today though, because it's so early in the morning. Wow, here we have Paris with Donny Osmond. Over here's Venetian, Palazzo. Across the street is the Mirage. Take a look at. Right over here, of course, is Caesar's Palace. Venetian and Palazzo are pretty cool. They got the McDonald's here for a quick bite. Casino Royale, Outback Steakhouse. And we have Walgreens down here. Need to get a quick six-pack. Some little sundries. Paris. Here's our Treasure Island pirate ship. Here's the Mirage. The Beatles are still playing. Couple mallard ducks out here. Here's our Mirage Volcano. It blasts off 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., and 11 p.m. every night for your enjoyment. It's a pretty good show. Whenever you're in Las Vegas, you always have to eat at White Castle. Great little burger sliders, a shake, fries, Coke, all the goodies. Here we got the Venetian Resort Hotel Casino. This St. Mark's Square. Giant hotel. Little canal over here. Check out this guy on the gondola. Go for a little ride if you want. Takes you around the casino. It's very fun. There's Treasure Island. And of course we have the Mirage. Cirque du Soleil Love. Siegfried and Roy at the Mirage. More Venetian here. And here's the Wynn and the Encore. Right next to Palazzo. Nice Walgreens. Here we have Treasure Island. Pirate ship. Treasure Island here. I heard they're going to take this down and put up like a Hard Rock Cafe guitar. Something like that. I have no idea. Treasure Island. The restaurants out here. And more of the Encore and the Wynn. There's our beautiful Palazzo. Wow. We got another pirate ship. We got shows every night. Lots of pirate fighting. Noises. Explosions. And cannons. How about that? Here at the Fashion Show Outlet Mall, Neiman Marcus. We got tons of shops in there. You get a sweatshirt, t-shirt. I love Las Vegas. We have some chapsticks, little snack. This guy here, this is absolutely gorgeous. The Wynn. It's not very affordable, at least for my budget. There's another Palazzo. Here's the gorgeous Trump Tower. Way up there. Make America great again. Make America great again again. Donald Trump, our president. This place here is called Resorts World. Big old building here. Hotel, resort, casino. It's called the Conrad. Also part of Hilton. Big shopping complex here. Across the street we have the Encore. Giant strip mall for all your souvenirs. Little taco shop, nail salon, pizza, smoke shop. Everything $10 or less. In Resorts World, this is where you catch the Elon Musk Tesla underground boring tunnel out to the convention center, which is out here. Here's another look at the Conrad. Resorts World. This place is pretty big. Holy smokes. Wow. You got Kevin Hart. He's showing up. So is Carrie Underwood. From July through December. If you like Carrie Underwood. Here's a convention center. Just across the street. But it's like miles away when you walk. And that's where you catch the Elon Musk loop over here to the convention center. Down the street we have Circus Circus, and here the Stratosphere. And finally here is Circus Circus. I'm surprised it's still here. Wow. It's on Elvis Presley Boulevard, so that's cool. Anyway, that's our rather uneventful walk up Las Vegas Strip. Sorry it was not everything you wanted to see, but it was a lot of stuff. And what do you expect on a winter Wednesday morning? Nothing really happens here until later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.